I got inspired to major mathematics during my second semester as a pre-engineering student at the University of Liberia. During that time, there were a lot of students in the Department of Mathematics who were doing extremely well. So I decided to join the bandwagon to also contribute towards the number of math students at the university, because let's face it, they were not as compared to other students in other departments. Like, they were not as many as compared to students studying biology, students studying chemistry, public health, environmental science, and so on. So I decided to major mathematics. Not only because I knew that I would have had a great career from studying mathematics, I also knew that I had the passion and the love and the zest for mathematics. So that's why I decided to major math in the first place. Now, in high school, when I was in 12th grade, this question was given to me by Preston Yanama, the valedictorian of the class of 2019 at the Cottington University. So Preston would normally come from vacation, and by that time we were in Kansas, so we all make our way to him because he was our inspiration, our motivation. But then, so we'll go to him, he will kind of try to quiz us. Okay, what topic did you do in this period? What topic are you doing? Now, I have a question, and can you guys try to solve this problem? So he gave me this problem when I was in 12th grade to solve. And truth be told, I did not solve the problem. I had a calculator, a Casio calculator, and placed the problem into the calculator, and the calculator gave me one of the solutions to the problem, which was 1/2. Not only did the calculator not give me the other solution, but the calculator also did not give me the steps to solve the problem. And that was kind of surprising. And later on, as I moved on in my mathematics journey, I eventually solved the problem. But it was not easy. Solve the problem using one method, and then later on I sent the problem to a friend of mine, Moses Kenema, who solved this problem using another method. So I'm going to solve this problem using the first method I used. And so there are a lot of people I've given this problem to, and they have provided several other solutions. So as a way of motivating this generation of math students, let us all go through the solution to this problem in a couple of seconds. Solve the equation parenthesis open x/2 all raised to the power of log x base 2 equals to 8x. Now remember, the goal of these videos is to motivate students to just do math. Just go and do math, study physics, study chemistry, study these courses. It's important for you, and it's kind of also it helps you a lot. So one of the ways to solve this problem is to take the log of base x/2 on both sides of the equation and manipulate. But I'm not going to use that route. I'm going to solve this question by saying let log of x base 2 equals to some new variable. Kind of want to change the entirety to u, because I'm used to u substitution, remember? So let log x base 2 equals to u. If this happens, then I have to solve for x, because there's an x in the equation. So from the conversion of logarithm to exponential, I will have x is equals to 2 raised to the power of u. So basically log x base 2 equals u, then x equals to 2 raised to the power of u. So let's go right back and substitute. This x will be written as 2 raised to the power of u, this x, all divided by 2, and all raised to the power of log x base 2 is u. So u/2 all raised to the power of u equals, this is going to be 8 multiplied by x is 2 raised to the power of u. Cool, right? This problem has not gotten cooler. It's going to get much more cooler than this. Alright, so let's try to simplify this out using one of the laws of indices. Basically, if you have a raised to the m over a raised to the n, this is a raised to the power of m minus n. So this is 2 raised to the power of u, and the power of this 2 raised to the power of 1 is just 1. So basically minus 1. All raised to the power of u equals 8 times 2 raised to the power of u. Great. So I can make this side to have the base of 2. If that side has a base of 2, then I can proceed from there. 2 raised to the power of u times u minus 1 equals 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2 raised to the power of u. Right? Great. So let's proceed on this side. I'll have 2 raised to the power of u times u is u squared, u times minus 1 is minus u equals. Now this and this have the same base. So I'm going to take one of them and add the powers, right? So another rule says a raised to the m times a raised to the n is equals to a raised to the m plus n. So this side is going to be 2 raised to the power of 3 plus u. So once I have the same base, I can equate the power, right? So this implies that u squared minus u equals 3 plus u. Basically at this junction, I'm going to collect like terms. So send everything across. U squared minus u, this goes across, it becomes minus u minus 3 equals to 0. And obviously you know this is u squared minus u is minus 2u minus 3 equals to 0. And what two numbers can I multiply to get negative 3? And when I add, I get negative 2. So this is basically going to be u minus 3 and u plus 1 equal to 0. So once I factorize this, I'm going to use the zero product property, which says that for the product of u minus 3 and u plus 1 to be 0, it's either u minus 3 is 0 or u plus 1 is 0, or both of them are 0. So u minus 3 equals 0, so u will be equal to 3. Send this across, you get 3. U plus 1 equals 0, u will be equals to minus 1. Simple. Now, I've gotten the value of u, but the question was not given to me in terms of u. It was given to me in terms of x. So I have to go back to my substitution and then solve for x. Remember, I said x is 2 raised to the power of u. So at u equals to 3, I want to have x to be 2 raised to the power of 3. So x is going to be 8. Also, at u equals to negative 1, x is going to be 2 raised to the power of negative 1. So x is going to be 1 over 2. Basically, that's what 2 raised to the negative 1 is. So the solution to this awesome equation is going to be x is equals to, I'm going to use the brace, 1 over 2, comma 8. I want to say thank you for watching this video. Please give this problem a try using another method. And if this video was helpful to you, why not subscribe to our channel on YouTube, follow us on Facebook and TikTok. See you in our next video.